107.1 News FM Olongapo.
From everyone at the station, happy holidays.
107.1 News FM Radyo Bandera. Happy holidays. 57 days to go before Christmas. Basta Radyo Ibandera mo. Alright, welcome back people. Welcome back. And you guys heard the song from Bon Jovi, Stick to Your Guns, from the album New Jersey of 1988. Hey, final stretch of this radio show. Magandang gabi sa inyo ulit. Yung mga kaka-tune in lang. For those who tune in late, why are you late? I'm also late. Me too. I was also late. Kasi day one of the Mardi Gras today, di ba? And I was asked to be one of the judges para sa Zumba Turismo. All right? It's a Zumba contest combined with the word turismo. Kaya Zumbarismo. Yan, okay? Zumba tourism. All right? Which was held today, kanina. Ang ganda ng competition ha. Natuwa ako na-enjoy ko ng gusto yung competition. Naglibang ako. All right, I love it. Okay, kaya ito medyo na late tayo sa ating radio program, but yeah, still life goes on. So congratulations sa mga winners kanina, no. They gave the grabe, no, yung pinaka grand winner, 15,000 pesos. Wow, okay? Tapos 10,000 and then 5,000. Yan, ang galante ni ang galante ni Madam Pipi Tsaka ng Olongapo City Tourism, yan. Tapos ano pa, marami pang papremyo may award pa like most disciplined Zumba group. And then it was right away followed by the Halloween costume contest. Yan. So nandoon yung mga kaibigan natin. Our friends from the tourism Olongapo. Ayan, Olongapo City Tourism. Ang MC nila si Host Eloy, ang kaibigan nating si Host Eloy. Tapos, yung sa iba pang event na gaganapin, si Kuya T-Rex nandoon din. So, nakita kaming tatlo. Alam niyo bang, meron kaming trio. Yung grupo namin, it's a trio. We call it ETT. It's not bastos. Ano lang yun, initials lang yun. Yung E, Eloy, si Host Eloy. No? Yung dalawang T, Tommy, tsaka T-Rex. Kaya ETT. Connection, yun ang title ng trio namin. ETT. We do hosting, kaya pag kailangan nyo ng host, ha? Gusto nyo masayang hosting, trio. I-trio nyo. Ayan. Okay? Masaya, promise. Mura na, nauutang pa. Again, thank you for the opportunity, our friends at Olongapo Tourism. Okay? I enjoyed that one. Being one of the judges sa mga event ninyo, no? Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for asking me. Yeah, I had fun. It was a privilege for me, in fact. Okay? So, tara na. Kung hindi pa kayo nakakapunta, no? Day 1 ngayon ng Mardi Gras. Ayan, October 29 is day 1. Ayan. 3 days lang yan, kaya enjoy nyo na. Paalala lang ha, yung madalas paalala ni Kuya Eloy kanina, yung mga kabataan. Yung mga young blood. Pagka medyo malakas na ang amats, weo na. Weo na and sleep na. Wag nang paligoy-ligoy, wag nang pagala-gala pa, baka mapaaway pa no. Minsan may ganyan minsan no, pagka pumasok na yung alcohol sa utak, feeling nila sila indestructible. Diba? Naalala ko tuloy yung lasing dun sa amin, nagwawala. Ganyan. Pag nalalasing, nagwawala, naghahanap ng away. Sabi niya, nagsisigaw sa gitna ng kalsada. Labas ang matapang! Labas! Sabi niya gano'n. May lumapit na mama sa kanya. Ang laki. Bukod pa dun, may dalang samurai. Ayun. Sabi sa kanya, loko ka. Ako, matapang ako. Anong problema mo? Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi nung may samurai na malaking mama. Alam mo, sabi nung lasing, ayan, 2 na tayo, hanap ka pa. Yung alak tinadala sa tiyan lang. Huwag nyo nang paakitin sa utak. Well, umakit talaga sa utak yun Pag medyo hindi nyo na makontrol, weu na. Sipin mo, may mga naghihintay sa'yo, lalo na tapos may mga nagdadrive pa nga nakainom tapos magdadrive. Huwag na kayo mag-drive pag nakainom kayo. Di ba? Motorsiklo, dami nangyayari. Ay, nako. Grabe, maraming lokong Dapat hindi nakakapag-drive yung mga taong ganoon Marami akong kasi nagmamotor din ng inyong lingkod. Marami akong na-encounter na wala sa ayos. Kanina lang on my way to San Fernando, Pampanga. Grabe, may sumingit sa side ko. As in, dikit na dikit. Ewan mo kung nananadya ba o ano. O yung paglagpas niya, he heard a few French words from me. Nag-Pranses ako bigla eh. Kasi dumaan sa left side ko, dikit na dikit. As in, dikit. Hindi nga siya dapat overtake doon dahil nasa left side ako, yung lane, sa tamang lane naman, nandoon na ako sa halos katabi ko na yung double solid yellow line. Diba, no, strictly no overtaking yan yung double solid yellow line na yan Doon siya dumaan, tapos dikit na dikit, halos nagkakilala yung elbow namin. Napamura yung left elbow ko. Sabi nung left elbow ko, feeling mo close tayo. Nag-Pranses din sabi nung marunong ba kayo mag-Pranses? Pagka may mga ganyang pagkakataon, nagpa-Pranses ako French. Ganito marinig nyo. Ganun yung Pranses ko. Pag may ruko-ruko na ganyan. Ay, nako, grabe. 2 beses nangyari sa akin yan. One time naman, pauwi ako galing sa Acapella Cafe pagkatapos ng stand-up comedy night namin. Ganun na ganun. May mga nananadya po na mag-iingat kayo yung mga nagmamotor. May mga ganun ang gawain na nananadya, parang nangaasar. Pipinahan ka sa gilid mo na dikit. Ang luwag. Promise, ang luwag. Ang luwag nung it's a dual lane. 2 sa papunta, 2 sa pabalik. Kalain mo, didikit sa'yo, dual lane. Nananadya po yung mga yun, mga nangaasar. Basta ako, what I do is nagpa-Pranses ako pag ganyan. French. C'est la vie, c'est la vous de gagu. Sinisigaw ko. Pranses talaga. Para pag, halimbawa, bumalik, hinintuan ka, pinara ka, tapos mas malaki pala sa'yo. Tapos mas malaki pala sa akin. Di kunyari, hindi ako nagtatagalog. Oui! C'est parlez-vous? C'est habla English. Mga wala sa ayos na buti sana kung sila lang yung madidisgrasya yung gumagawa niyan. Kaso madadamay ka pa madidisgrasya ka rin diba? Ito isipin nyo yung mga gumagawa niyan, may naghihintay sa inyo na makauwi kayo ng bahay. Kundi man yung wala ka mang asawa, anak, magulang mo. Diba? Unless tinakwil ka na talaga dahil loko ka. Wala na talaga naghihintay sa'yo. Kasi wala ka rin asawa dahil nga walang magkagusto sa'yo dahil roko-roko ka. Diba? Pero yun lang, huwag ka na lang mandamay ng ibang tao. Kawawa naman yung idadamay mo, diba? Kung walang naghihintay, nagmamahal sa'yo, yung idadamay mo, meron. Diba? Gigil ako nung ginawa sa akin Pwede lang hindi. Wala kang magagawa You're on the fast lane. Mabilis ka, mabilis siya. Anong gagawin mo? Pahintuin mo, hindi ka naman pulis. Diba? Ruko-ruko no? Grabe, mga ganyan. Dapat, ano ba maganda? Maganda ba yung nagmumotor ka? May baon-baon kang bato? Para pag may ganyan, batuhin mo bigla. Baka makadisgrasya ka rin naman pag ginawa mo yun, di ba? Kaya nga, hindi mo alam saan kalalagay tuloy no? Nakakainis lang. Ay, nako. Mga taong ganyan. Parang people. Check the time, people. Speaking of people, it's now 8:45 p.m. Time check brought to you by Subic Bay Colleges, Inc. Numbers 2 and 3, 18th Street, West Bahak-Bahak, Olongapo City. Alright. Check out their TESDA courses, modular type. And you can enroll anytime, start anytime. Meron din pong driving school. Okay? Mga gustong matutong mag-drive ng kotse, even motorcycle. Driving school for motorcycles. Meron sila. Okay? Call them up 252, not 252. Sa SBMA line yun. A landline number 602-3200. Ayan, okay? Or simply visit their official Facebook page. Nandiyan yan, no? Everything's there on the Facebook page that you need to know. And the best way to advertise pa rin, of course, is via the radio station. Visit us at Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM Olongapo. We are located at Casa Gilda Resort. Okay? So pag nag-avail kayo ng advertisement, may libreng swimming. Libreng lundag sa swimming pool, promise. Okay? So avail of our advertising packages now. Okay? The best thing you could possibly do for your business is get it well known, di ba? advertise on the radio. Okay? Radyo Bandera, 107.1 News FM. Pwede nyo rin kaming kontakin via our Facebook page. Alright? Meron tayong official Radyo Bandera Facebook page. Ask about our advertisements, our packages. There! Alright! And announcement pa, King NJP General Merchandise located at 1925 Cabalan. Okay? Yung Old Cabalan ha. Kasi dalawa na yung branch ng King NJP. Yung isang King NJP actually yung Stairway Sandals din yan no. Nandoon sa St. Joseph. Pero yung second branch nila, yung malapit sa, alam niyo yung bago ka kumaliwa ng papunta sa Memorial Cemetery. Yan, madadaanan mo yung King NJP. Ayan. So hindi lang siya sandals, shoes, and leather goods. Ano na rin, motorcycle store na rin. Okay? And speaking of being a motorcycle store, doon nyo nadalhin yung motorsiklo nyo for preventive maintenance, for parts and supplies. Okay? Job opening. Ang King NJP, si Kuya Nelson, is naghahanap ng motorcycle, ano ba to? Motorcycle mechanic. Yun, mechanic. Mechanic. Ang kailangan niya, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5. Yes, you heard me right. Limang motorcycle mechanic. Now na, apply na. Kailangan na, okay? Alright? So, kung gusto niyo mag-apply, punta lang kayo sa King NJP General Merchandise. Ayan, okay? 1925 National Highway. Ayan, papuntang Memorial. Bago mag-Memorial, makikita nyo King NJP General Merchandise. If you're from galing dito sa Olongapo City, ha? Ayan, hindi yung galing sa other way around. Okay? For inquiries, pwede rin mag-inquire via phone call. Tawag na po kayo, 0916-424-1010. 0916-424-1010. Again, 5 motorcycle mechanic. Kailangan na, promise. Alright, so job opening yan para sa mga tropa natin na naghahanap ng trabaho. Yung mga kung marunong ka rin lang sa motorsiklo. Diba? Apply ka na. Immediate hiring po ito. 5 ang kailangan. 5! We need 5. And if you call right now, Kuya Nelson will answer the phone. Alright, apply na po. 5 motorcycle mechanic, ha? Kailangan na raw. Alright, time now for the following invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Hey, something yummy for you. Avocadoria.ph, all-natural avocado-based food, drinks, and desserts is now open at SM City Olongapo Central Level 4. Yan, if you love avocado, and it's a healthy one for you, okay? Pwedeng desserts, pwedeng drinks, sabi nga, and food. Avocadoria.ph, Level 4, SM Central, and the Sandwich Guy, check it out. The world's first whole wheat grilled hexagon sandwich is now open at SM City Olongapo Central, serving you fast and fresh products since 2008. Level 4 of SM City Olongapo Central. The Sandwich Guy, fast and fresh. And SM Central and SM Downtown is having their own version of the Mardi Gras. They're having, nakikiselebrate din syempre sa Olongapo City Mardi Gras, featuring the Mardi Gras Specials hanggang October 31, Mardi Gras Food Fest hanggang October 31 din, plus the Mardi Gras Pauti Costume. Okay? Yung costume for pets, we call it Pauti. P-A-W-T-Y. Kailan tapos na, no? October 26. Yan, okay. But still, nonetheless, Mardi Gras Specials ongoing, Thursday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Mardi Gras Food Fest, October 23 to 31, Thursday to Sunday then, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay? So, both happening at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ace Members Mania is ongoing up until October 31. Up to 50% off on selected items and 10% off for 3,000 minimum spend at Ace Hardware, SM Central and SM Downtown, okay? And the Guest Store presents 20% off on all regular priced bottoms. This up until November 1. You have until November 1. Visit the guests at the ground level of SM Central, okay? Also, the SM Store, your everyday store, presents women's wear sale up to 50% off plus extra 10% off on select items up until October 31. And the Philippine auditions for Team World Championships Philippines is going to be happening November 8, Saturday, 11 a.m. ground level of SM City, Olongapo Central. Okay, they are in need of singers, instrumentalists, models, actors, dancers, and variety artists. All right? And then yung pinaka-final nito, if you will be lucky, you will be flown over to the entertainment capital of the world, Nevada, on July 2026. The Philippine auditions once again November 8, Saturday 11 a.m. ground level SM Central. And the month's terrific Halloween costume contest will be happening October 31, Friday, 3 p.m. at the ground level. Join now, open to all super kids ages 4 to 12. Registration starts, it's ongoing. Pwede pa magpa-register hanggang October 31 on the date itself, no? Okay, Super Costumes Fun Fest. Havaianas has been newly renovated. Okay, original from Brazil since 1962. Havaianas, check it out at the second level of SM Central. And Slumberland from our home. Dream in total comfort. Buy a Vitalize Essence mattress at 60% off and get a premium gift. October 2025. Sports Central presents Get Up to 2,500 pesos cashback sale items of the same brand, Under Armour and Reebok. This is up until November 9. 1,000 cashback for a minimum purchase 5,000 pesos. 2,500 for a minimum purchase 10,000 pesos. Third level of SM Central, Sports Central. And up to 500 peso cashback also at SM Supermarkets or SM Markets with BDO credit card up until October 31. Company of the month is SBDMC. Up until October 31, present your ID at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Grab exclusive deals and discounts. SBDMC employees. And Katingko is now open at SM Central. Ladies and gentlemen, Level 3. Katingko, Level 3 of SM Central. And once again for Tom's World, town of the month is the town of Candelaria, Zambales. All right? Tom's World, get your free token at the fourth level of SM Central. All right? And Lux Birthday Sale. 10% off if you shop now, if it's your birthday. Show your ID that says it's your birthday. Visit them at the level 3 of SM City, Olongapo Central. Lux Beauty Wellness. All right, so there you have it. The invites coming from our friends at SM City, Olongapo Central and SM City, Olongapo Downtown. Also, once again, we would like to invite you guys. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, tomorrow, October 30, mag-o-open na yung Subic Bay Food Festival. Yung mga foodies dyan, okay? It will be a night of fun and entertainment. Also coinciding with the opening of the Halloween celebration of Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Meron munang parade, no? Nakakatakot na parade. Magpaparade yung mga mumu. Papunta dun sa lugar ng Subic Bay Food Festival. Okay? 5 p.m. ang start. Okay? So see you guys there at 5 p.m. at the mini golf course, former mini golf course, for the opening of the Subic Bay Food Festival featuring bands, live entertainment, musical entertainment, and a whole lot more. Plus, different contests gaganapin. Alam nyo naman, ang Subic Bay Food Festival, laging may may mga pag-gimmick, may mga pakulo. Okay, coinciding na rin with the Subic Bay Freeport Halloween celebration. Okay, October 30, 31. Ayan, 30 and 31. Alright, so those are the invites for you guys. We hope you guys would join us. And bukas pa rin, the Mardi Gras. Hanggang umagahan yan no? Alright. So again, reminder lang po ingat lang po tayo. Huwag tayong maghagis ng bangko, maghagis ng bote, iwasan natin yan. Peace! Love is all you need, di ba? Sabi nga, love is all you need. Sabi ng the Beatles. Okay, so gonna be playing my final song for you guys. Thank you for keeping me company. Maraming salamat po. Doon sa mga nag-jam sa atin, ha? Si Kuya Glicerio Romero, Kuya Glay, hi, how you doing? Sabi niya, good evening DJ Tommy G. Enjoy Night Jam Radio Bandera. Yes, enjoy. Si Kuya Justin Rice din, yo! Alright, good evening din sa'yo, pare Koy. Thank you for doing that, for always tuning in. Maraming salamat. Lagi nakikinig to si Kuya Justin Rice Pati na rin si Kuya Glay. Ayan. Kuya Glay, I hope you're doing fine. Kita-kit sa Mardi Gras, ha? Pero tomorrow, I will be at the Subic Bay Food Festival. Pasensya na, hindi na naman ako makapag-ere siguro. Dahil grand opening kasi ng Subic Bay Food Festival, I'll be the master of ceremonies. So, kita-kits po tayo dun, ha? Join tayo sa opening ng Subic Bay Food Festival at the mini golf course of the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Kita-kits! Shoutout pa kay Kuya Jesus Kamakam. Alright, and sino pa? Who else do we gotta greet? Sige, todo na natin bago ako mag-bye and play my final song. Ayan, Madam Connie Morandarte, hey! And also to Ate Monet Falteguera Cruz, hi, happy listening. Wakid Jericho, Elisa Sasalandigin from Tarlac, Criselda Bantican, si Kuya John Rexel, Roel Joen Rizado Lazo, and si Kuya Ramon Christopher Guevara. Ayan, Gatdula Guevara, that is, my nephew. Si Denise, ang kapatid ni Denephew. Denise and Denephew. To Tita Emmy. Ayan, Emmy Carbajal. Kuya Mike Cruz and family. Hi, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine, ha? I miss you, Kuya Mike Cruz. Hindi na kita nakikita. Alright, so there you have it. Maraming salamat po, everyone. Here's my final song for you guys. Music coming from the band called Firehouse. This one's called Don't Treat Me Bad from 1991 with this song for